Here we have the 4G trail camera. This one is actually the wide angle lens version at 100 degrees. These ones work on the 4G network, which is fantastic with 3G being phased out across Australia. This one actually comes with 20 meters of very high quality range during the day, and at night time, using its built-in infrared LEDs, you're going to get up to 15 meters of range. And that's a nice crisp, clear image there. Another benefit of this one is it does come with 2 antennas in the box, which you attach up here, and that's going to extend the area that you can actually use this and pick up a good cell phone signal. It uses that cell phone signal to get the information, the photos, back to you. It does also record audio with the video. If you wanted that as a feature, it's built right in. And you do get instant alerts, so as soon as this one snaps a picture, you can set it to text you or email you, and you'll have that information immediately. The wide angle lens that I mentioned earlier is running a 5 megapixel sensor and shoots at 1080p at 30 frames a second. The trail camera shoots at 12 megapixels for when it's taking photos, and it does have an extremely sturdy design, so that's completely waterproof. It's fine to sit out in any type of weather for any amount of time, and it's not going to damage the camera itself. It runs on Apple and Android as far as apps are concerned, and is a very straightforward operation. This one does have a large internal battery, so you can run it on AA's, which is great. That's going to give you a long time between changeover. You can also power this on a solar panel as well, so for completely hands-free, if you never want to have to go back to the camera, you can do that. I'm going to do the unboxing now. So we've got the trail camera here. I'll show you what comes in the box. Step right out of the gate, you can use these QR codes to download the correct app, whether you're using an Apple phone or an Android. On the top, we get the instruction manual. This is going to show you, have a quick start in it, how to get it going. We have the camera itself, and we also have the antennas. So here's the antenna here, screws on there, 2 of those. We have the trail camera. Here we have the latch, which gives us access to the control panel as well as the batteries. And on the back here, we have a mounting point and some spots here to loop through anything you'd like to attach it to a tree or a pole. We do also have the straps that come with it, so this can loop through those holes that I pointed out before and help you to easily attach it to whatever you like. And we also get a power cable. And that's everything in the box. This is designed to work with just their bandwidths. You're also, in Australia, obviously going to get the best coverage you can out of the Telstra network.